Have you ever wondered what would happen to a radio performer if he developed hiccups during a broadcast? Let's listen to this commentator who had no choice but to carry on.
Membership of the United Nations is open to all peace-loving nations which accept the obligations of the United Nations Charter and in the judgment of the organization are able and willing to carry out the obligations. The original members of the United Nations are those countries which signed the Declaration by United Nations of January 1st, 1942, or took part in the San Francisco Conference, and which signed and ratified the Charter. Other countries can be admitted by the General Assembly upon the recommendation of the Security Council. 9 countries have thus been admitted. The present December 1952 number of members is 60.
We have a drink of water.
Thank you very much.